Welcome to the Fix It Tech News channel. And Intel today at the Consumer Electronics Show has introduced new 10 nanometer Intel processors. And I mean, they need to really be good because Intel is now really being in a stress situation with AMD and its very powerful Ryzen processors that are basically kicking Intel's butt in many ways. So the new Core i5, i7, and i9, and this is also an interesting thing to watch because AMD was able to go down to 7 nanometers, which is, the smaller you go, the more you can pack transistors and pack performance technically on a processor. Well, Intel is still stuck at 10 nanometers and they have a hard time going there and have a hard time for 7 nanometer process. So new Intel processors, including Pentium processors and cores for devices like Chromebooks. So it's going to be interesting to see how they position themselves, how they can actually compete now with AMD, and how these new processors are going to be a real future for Intel. Right now, Intel's future doesn't look that good because it is kind of packed with a shifting market of devices, and we don't really know where it's going. Plus, with the very big competition of AMD, it's getting a very complex situation for the company. So we'll see how this goes in 2021, but Intel wanted to make sure that we knew its new processors are available today, January 11th, 2021, at the Consumer Electronics Show, a virtual event from Las Vegas. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.